All right, this is lot 59. That's lot 59. LeBlond Regal 15-inch by 54-inch engine lathe. It has a 2 1/4 hole through the spindle. Comes with a 3-jaw chuck, a 4-jaw chuck, a 2-axis Mitutoyo digital readout. It does have a steady rest, tailstock, and there's a drill chuck in the tailstock. This is a servo shift machine. Run it forward, 494 RPM. Want to shift down to 256. I'm at 256. Engage the power feeds. That's the carriage. Compound feed. There's your carriage feed. The threading dial. Metric thread set, capable. And brake. The readouts, only on, appears the readouts are only on the longitudinal feed. No readout on the cross feed, it's on the long feed. There you go, 15 by 54 LeBlond Regal.